You want the truth? You can't handle the truth!
This is my Formula TM powered chair. It's mid-wheel drive. The functions are feet up and down, vertical lift, tilt, and back recline. Some of the accessories on this chair are the headrest and the tray on the front of the chair that folds over to the side. So this is the control panel. It's got a little graphic showing how much power you have, and it also highlights what option you are in. There's just a basic button to turn it on and off, and buttons to switch between drive modes and the options. The drive modes have got indoor and outdoor pre-programmed switches. The chair runs off 24 volts with two 12-volt batteries wired in parallel. Now they will go for about 40 kilometers, depending on the terrain, whether it's uphill or downhill. The speed is 8 kilometers per hour, which is the legal speed that a electric controlled device can go, but I have been told that you can get it up to 12 kilometers an hour. So this box is my auxiliary power supply. I've got two USB outlets and a cigarette outlet. Basically what I've done, the chair is 24 volts, so I had to step it down to a 12 volt output so you can run all 12 DC devices off it. To get power, you just need to get a step down from 24 volts to 12 volts. Then I've also wired in 3 switches. Now the first switch turns on the spotlight. The next switch turns on the green LEDs underneath the seat and on the back of the seat. So this is my little green trailer. It's actually made up from the chassis of my very first old electric wheelchair. I just chopped the front wheels off, ripped out all the electrics and the batteries, welded a few things on. I put the check plate spoiler on it just to get some downforce from when I'm going along at high speeds of 8 kilometers an hour. I've got some air horns that play the Dukes of Hazzard's theme, which is Dixieland. It runs off a 12 volt battery and it makes a big noise. So what I usually do, I hook that behind my electric chair. I always chuck an esky on it and tow it around. This is my manual chair. I don't get in it as much as I used to. It's a quickie. It's a lightweight alloy frame with 24-inch wheels and spinnegy bearings. Now it can fold down to be quite compact to get into most back seats and boots. If you'd like this video, please subscribe for future notices of videos coming up. Leave comments if you got any questions you'd like answered, and give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Thank you.